We have been told since our childhood that milk is an outstanding nutritional supplement and is the best for our health, body, and mind. But is the milk that we drink today really the elixir, or it's a slow poison that can imperil the entire generation of humankind? Are we drinking the milk we ought to drink? Is the milk you drink today safe? What did the lab results show when they get tested? What are A1 and A2 milk? Which milk is the best in India? Are our Indian milk brand companies providing us quality milk? Is there any milk brand in India that provide quality milk? And if not, what should we drink? Let us find out. Milk is the magical white nutritional fluid produced by the mammals. But what if milk that we consume today is based upon lies on the name of nutritional values? Cow milk has 87 to 88% water in it and 12 to 13% solid that include lactose, which is a sugar, 4.8%, fat 3.9%, protein 3.2%, and minerals 0.7%. About 80% of milk protein is casein and another 20% is whey protein. Milk protein casein can be further divided into three subdivisions: alpha casein, beta casein, and kappa casein. A1 and A2 are two forms of beta casein, a subgroup of casein that is the largest protein group found in milk. A1 type of milk is mostly produced by European cow breeds such as Holstein Friesian, Jersey, and British Shorthorn. Milk containing A1 beta casein at the time of digestion in the small intestine release a bioactive peptide called beta cosmophorin 7 or BCM7 that is declared harmful for human, whereas A2 type casein containing milk has its own nutritional value. A1 beta casein may be associated with serious health conditions such as heart disease, type 1 diabetes, autism, Parkinson's syndromes, etc. Indian native breed of indigenous cow and buffalo with a hump on their back are considered rich in A2 beta casein milk protein. Cow breeds like Tharparkar, Gir, and Shahiwal have a genetic makeup that yields milk high in A2 protein. All indigenous breeds have a higher frequency of A2 protein. Milk consumed with A2 beta casein also produce amino acid called proline, which prevent the formation of PCM7, which is present in A2 type of milk. Human milk too contain A2 beta casein and therefore considered nutritious, healthy, and best when it comes to newborn growth and immunity. All famous Indian milk brands that are commonly used by Indians include mixed milk of cow, which are packed as slim, toned, or full cream milk depending on the fat percentage present in it. All these packets of milk contains milk that comes from a mixed breed that has an A1 type of milk protein in it. As we discussed earlier that A1 milk has some negative impact on our health as they are produced by European cow breed type of milk can lead to cause digestion problem in the small intestine by releasing a bioactive peptide called beta cosmophorin 7. However, this famous milk brand companies passed a test held by an independent NABL accredited lab that none of them have adulterant content in it. So does that mean these packet milk are good for our health? No, I will not suggest you to buy them. For replacing this milk, one can switch to A2 Desi cow milk packets. Desi cow milk is referred to as one of the best milk to consume. Desi cows are characterized by drooping ears, a large shaped neck, and fatty hump on their shoulders. The Indian government also took one step toward Desi milk production, which has A2 type protein, which is under Rashtriya Gokul Mission to make Desi cow milk available for public. Vita, a cooperation started by the Haryana government with the small cow keeper to produce Desi cow milk by using Desi breed Shahiwal. Even Amul has started the supply of Desi cow milk in Ahmedabad and other part of the country. There are many other Desi cow milk brands which you can choose from. I will mention them in the description. And yes, better switch to this milk from those available in the market which contain mixed breed milk. Homogenized milk. These milk are chosen by those people who are habitual to store milk for long duration without deteriorating its quality. But did you know these homogenized milk are harmful? Actually, homogenized milk is that which has passed through a process called homogenization. Homogenization is the process of mechanically passing the milk through a fast running hydraulic machine that break all uneven fat molecules into equal fat molecules. Homogenization has its own benefit, not for consumer, but for those who produce them. It gives the milk a better look, a smooth texture, and great taste just to increase its shelf life. And yes, it is because of homogenization that you never found cream separation on the top of homogenized milk. There are many research that found harmful effect on consuming homogenized milk, but yet no conclusive results are found. Personally, I cannot imagine having milk which can be stored for 6 months without changing its property. Due to a lot of ambiguity about its health effect, I will not suggest you to include this homogenized milk in your diet. So, what should we drink? Here comes the best option. A2 cow milk from a local farm is the best option for everyone. But buying local A2 cow milk is not enough. One should check whether the animals in farm are in good condition, are they getting healthy feed, are they getting a more salutary environment, etc. There are also many small farms located all around India which try to provide you a good quality of A2 milk that is authentic in nature. I personally buy milk that is A2 quality milk from the local farmer near me, and never have I faced any issue. Definitely, the price from the local farm is higher than those available in the market, but believe me, it is the best and healthier option than others. I will also suggest you to drink less milk but drink quality milk. Now, the question arises how one can get desi cow milk. It is easy, you can search near you on Google. Okay, don't worry, I have linked some farm details which are popular in India. You can contact them and order yourself a healthy desi A2 cow milk. Now I want to make this very clear that this video was not sponsored by any other milk brand which I have mentioned in this video. Whatever I spoken in this particular video is my honest opinion. I am not associated with any brand or none of the mentioned brands has paid me to speak all this. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you want me to continue making this kind of videos, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. And please do remember to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.